It's that time of year again, family's on the way, the house feels chaotic, and you've got 10 minutes. Don't panic, here's what to clean first. When you're short on time, the key is impact cleaning. Focus on what people actually see, touch, and smell. Here's your 10-minute checklist. 1. Clear the surfaces. Grab a bin or basket and scoop up anything lying around. Things like mail, chargers, random clutter. You can sort it out later. A clear counter or table instantly makes your home feel calmer. 2. Wipe down touch points. Think door handles, light switches, and bathroom counters. These are high contact areas that can make a huge difference in how clean a space feels. 3. Fluff and smooth. Straighten pillows, fold blankets, and make the bed. Visual order gives the illusion of full-on cleaning. 4. Quick sweep or vacuum the entryway. It's the first thing guests see. 2 minutes here goes a long way. 5. Freshen the air. Crack a window, simmer cinnamon or citrus on the stove, or light a subtle candle. The goal is to make the space feel warmer, cozy, and lived in, not perfect. If you do one round of this each day, your home stays guest ready, and you stay sane through the rush. Don't stress about spotless. Focus on fresh. A little effort every day keeps your home feeling warm and welcoming all season long. I'm Miranda, and if you liked this quick reset, subscribe for more healthy home tips here at Simply Filters.